My name's David Thickens. I'm the CEO at Grafton Optical. We're a family-run company, second generation now. Here at 100% Optical, our main focus is optometry equipment. We focus on the diagnostic side, so we have the brand new ultra-widefield camera. The device is the Reticam 3100 Plus ultra-widefield retinal camera. This is a one-box solution for ultra-widefield retinal imaging. The technology is based on traditional white light photography. It's the only device of its kind in the UK. The camera utilises AI as well as an automated function to capture images. The AI that's incorporated in this device is going to give an indication of pathology to the practitioner, not to make the clinical determination, but to give a good starting point for the further diagnosis. So this is the kind of example image that you can achieve. You have a progression analysis as well as a comparison between visits. There's some further manual editing tools where you can measure cup-disc ratio, you can make annotations, any pathology can be highlighted by drawing or whatever you would like, and you can obviously add clinical notes to the patient database file. We see the Reticam 3100 Plus in a pre-screening area where any member of staff can capture the images. So this is the brand new Visual Fields perimetry headset from Rexam. It's super lightweight. The unique feature with this device is that we use eye tracking at 260 frames a second to achieve the fact that we don't have to use a patient response button with this device. So the only instruction you need to give your patient with this headset is if you see a light, you look at it, and the machine does the rest. With traditional visual fields, sometimes you get a lot of false positives and negatives that mean sometimes that you're having to retest that patient. With this device, because it's only if the patient sees that light, it registers that point being seen, and it minimises significantly the amount of retests that opticians will have to do. It takes away the indecision of the patient. The headset is very lightweight, it's not top heavy. You've got two adjustments for the patient comfort, and once you've set those, we're set to do a test. So this is the kind of report page that you'll be able to generate. It generates a report page very similar to many of the traditional visual fields devices on the market. So if you've seen one report page, this will be very easy to transfer to. There's also comparison over time, and there's a line map as well that's very useful to see progression and visual fields. Once the headset is on and in place, the operator will have a series of 3 screens, so they can see exactly how the eye tracking is working and if the patient is responding correctly and the position is in place. They also have a screen to show the points that have been measured or need retesting, and they also see a report map as it's progressing. We can do a screening test in around 1.5 minutes per eye. One of our very first demonstrations within the UK, one particular patient had Parkinson's disease. He'd never had a visual fields test because he didn't have the capability to press the button in time or be quick enough. And with this device, we did his very first visual fields assessment.